Sanibonani you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back again to Umnkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ungijoin. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi like video, kubaleka kakhulu like le video, subscribe, share and yeah man. Thank you so much you guys for your love and support. So kule video sizobuyela njalo to udaba lokaSenzo Meyiwa you guys laphana ngasecourt enkantolo enkulu yase Pretoria. Lokho ke you guys kusase busy ngodaba lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa and the whole lot of things that are happening. Guys mina ngiyayivakashela le ndaba ka yokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa because the way nje idonsa ngakhona for me I'm like girl. Hayi ngeke you guys kuyadonsa laphana so kulolu daba ke laphana ukuthi ujaji ke uRatha Mkhotleng ongenohlala icala lokufaka Senzo Meyiwa uthi abameli babambezela icala ugazi balokhu beshayiza aququke ngongoti wabo ohlola izibhama abantu bazomletha you guys kudonsa isikhathi ijaji likhala njengesikhathi you guys kuloko kuthiwa kuzolethwa lo muntu kudonsa isikhathi kupostpone kuthiwe kuzolethwa lo muntu kudonsa hayi ngeke you guys like kunini you guys for me nje that's why ngithi I now visit this case because angeke bafesa angeke hayi cha pho Senzo Meyiwa may he so rest in peace you guys. May he so rest in peace ubhuti Senzo Meyiwa because okusekusenzeke emva kokuthi ashona laphana ecourt ayikuningi you guys. I mean it's been 10 years guys. uSenzo wabulawa ngo2014. This is 2024. Bagcina be-excuse ujudge what was Judge Chifiwa Mahumera. I think ujudge Mkhotleng bazogcina sebem-excusile bathi hayi tata awuhlalele esayidini balethele enye ijudge kuyophela ngempela you guys angeke. I know ukuthi naye ukhala ngokuthi abameli bayadonsa you guys belokhu bethi kuzolethwa lo muntu ohlola ama cellphone kuzolethwa lo muntu into zabo ziyadonsa nalo licala nje lidonsa kakhulu you guys like honestly speaking. There's the same reason why they excused ubabu uShifiwa Mahumera. This judge bazogcina nabo sebehlalela ngasecele bhuti ngeke hlalela ngasecele silethwe umunye ozozama ukusheshisa lelicala because guys it's been 10 years. Come on man. It's been 10 bloody years. Siloku sihlale phansi lapha ecourt kudikidwa udaba lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa kanti sibabophani nabantu ababesendlini. Because abantu abasendlini guys according to me ibona bazi ukuthi kwafika lo muntu nje wadu akufikanga umuntu in fact sasisendlini sihleli singumndeni and then what happened there khona ukuthiwa wayekwatile lapho wayephethe isibhamu kwadule kuSenzo Meyiwa abakhuluma into eyenzeka ke abantu abasendlini siloku sijika siyele nali siletha abantu abazokhuluma izitori ubuvela ungekho lapha wanzi ukuthi kwenzekeni kwasuka phi kwathini ubani wathini wagcina kudubule kuSenzo. Those people do not know amaphoyisa lokelethwa lapha ama witness abantu abafika sekucleaniwe and the evidence was like cleaned kwathiwa they got rid of evidence babiza amaphoyisa sebecleanile le ndawo lokubiza bona abantu laba zokhuluma indendende indaba ababengekho bezwa kuthiwa hayi kwenzeke ukuthi bezwa kuthiwa sibabophani laba basendlini abangezwanga ababonayo ukuthi okay nawo umuntu obephethe isibhamu obulela uSenzo Meyiwa umdubulile including uKelly because how dare you as a mother of Senzo Meyiwa's child uhleli lapho uyazi ukuthi uSenzo Meyiwa ubulawa lo muntu afuna ukukhuluma for 10 years. Hayi guys bafethu ngeke hayi sasiloku siyadonsa kubizwe laba abantu kubizwa abantu abengekho people were not there, people were not even in hospital. Nangani wabuchiko thola wayala wathi ngeke ayo testify ngoba wayengekho lapho Senzo Meyiwa eshona kodwa at least esibhedlela wayekhona ngoba bafonela yena uyena umuntu wafika kuqala esibhedlela. At least loye bangambiza kodwa wazwakala complain engafuni naye balekela kude. Did he finally come? Because I no longer follow. Did he finally come? Ngagcine complain nje uJudge uMngomezulu he's a fly by night lawyer ozama nje ukuthi adonse yena nobaba uKhoza bezela phe court for what because they do not know, they were not there. Wambiza nge-flight by night lawyer kuningi you guys. Haya ngeke bafethu siyadonsa so lana kangazi ukuthi ijaji lona ke likhala ngokuthi abameli baloko bedonsa you guys babambazela icala baloko beshayiza aququ ngongoti wabo abantu uzohlole izibhama bathi bazomletha ke kuloko kuyadonsa ke selizele ya complain ke nali ijaji liyabona ukuthi phela hayi isikhathi yahamba phela manje. Meyiwa wadutshilwa wabulawa fethu ekakheli Khumalo Force Lorras eGauteng ngo2014 wethula ufakazi ozimsele ukugojela ngabo abalisa abahlanu okholwa ukuthi babulala uMeyiwa. Okay. Istory ngisicupha khona lapha kayiso lezwe gazi umbuso sewambiza ungoti ohlola izibhamu owathi isibhamu esathola siyahambisana negobolondo lenhlamvu elatholwa endaweni esigameko isibhamu esahlola sathola kummangalelo wesithathu umthobisi Mncube. So abameli babamangalela babuphonsela izinselelo lobo bufakazi bathi bazoletha owabo ungoti ahlola izibhamu. Ijaji libuze ku-advocate Charles Mnisi ukuthi kumiphi na ngongoti wabo ozolethwa ohlola izibhamu, right? Umnisi uthe basalinde illegal aid SA ukuthi ibazise ukuthi isihambe yafika phi ngokuqoka ke ungoti wezibhamu. Ijaji likhuza lababaza lathi esekudleke isikhathi eside ke manje. So umthetho ukuthi kufanele nithola ithuba elanele lokwenza umsebenzi wenu kodwa sekungaphezulu manje. Umbuso wethula ubufakazi bawo ngo-August ngonyaka odlule. Wethula ubufakazi ngo-August ngonyaka odlule sekuphela izinyanga eziyisishiyagalolunye kusho ijaji. Sorry guys, uRathamhatleng. So kena ijaji lithele licala liwundendenda lipheli kanti nabaphathi balo bayakhononda ngalo. Ndasa ngithi bazogcina sebethe askis buti. But since they did that to Ushifiwe Maumere, ijaji lize lancokola ngokuthi liyoze lifice ukufa lingaqedile icala wema. Kodwa uqinisile you guys kuyadonsa nje ngempela iminyaka iyahamba you guys. Kuvela omunye umeli umnumzana uSipho Ramo Sipili wathi abelegal aid SA bake bambhalela bemazisa ukuthi sebemtholile ungoti wabanika ke nezindleko zakhe. uRamo Sipili uthe abakwazi kodwa kubonana nongoti okwamanje. Ijaji libuze kumshushisi wombuso advocate George Baloyi ukuthi bangako ufakazi abasele abazobizwa umbuso. Ubaloyi uthe umbuso uya ngasemaphetheleni ngokusonga ubufakazi bawo. Hayi utheke bebezimisela ukusonga ngasekupheleni kwenyanga kodwa ukubambezeleka ukukhona kuzophoqa ukuthi kwelulwe ke isikhathi izolecala sheshe la kuqaka ngesikhathi isikhulu sase Vodacom ebesethula ubufakazi bamaselula sixinwa ukugula. Uma bengaxinwa ukugula kuba nje ngamanye hlezi nje kune particular delay. Is either umuntu uyagula or is either kuhleli nje kunama reasons angapheli bafethu. Izwi lesikhulu beliya ngokuya lishabalala ke ngenxa yomkhuhlane kwavunyelwana ke ngokuthi aliguqeke icala ubufakazi anikwe ke ithuba ufakazi anikwe ithuba lokululama. Ijaji nakuba belingeneme kodwa ligcine livumile ukuthi licala lihlehlele ngolwesibili into ekanjalo guys kuyadonsa. There's always a reason to postpone something. Postponements after postponements. So longo amaselula ke uzoza nini because isikhathi siyahamba bafethu sekuze sokukhononda lona ijaji isikhathi siyahamba. Kunini usenza umiwalala umntana abantu hayi akalale ngempela you guys ngoba mina I don't see him getting justice. Because lento kudala ke yaqala ke manje you guys ayipheli. Koze kube nini hayi akazilalela umuntu akameyiwa you guys ayikho le ndaba le ayikho you guys lesihlalele lapha enkantolo nje for me nje ngibona ngathi ayikho. Kunini hayi angazi ke you guys ishuva la ku comment section u like i video subscribe share ke sizobe sibonana ku video elandelayo bye.